Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix VLC not showing on full screen. So is your video not going full screen in VLC? Maybe you're just seeing black bars, or is it just won't expand properly in your screen? This is actually a common issue, and the good news is it's very easy to fix. So in this video I'll walk you through the exact steps to make VLC go full screen properly in just a few minutes. So first, make sure you're using the correct shortcut. While your video is playing in VLC Media Player, press F on your keyboard or simply double-click the video. If it still doesn't go full screen correctly, move on to the next steps. So one of the most common issues is the wrong aspect ratio. So at the top menu, click on Video. Now scroll down and look for aspect ratio. If it shows like that, you can click on Default. So this should instantly remove black bars and make your video fit the screen better. Now, if the issue continues, you may need to change the video output. So you have to go to Tools at the top, scroll down to Preferences. Now, once you're in here, click on Video at the left side. And under Output, try switching to DirectX or OpenGL if available. Then click on Save, then restart VLC and reopen it again. Now, if it's still not working, the fastest way to fix most VLC issues is to reset everything. So go to Tools, go to Preferences, then click on Reset Preferences below, tap on it, click on OK, restart VLC after that, reopen it, and your full screen issue should be gone. So some videos are recorded in a fixed resolution or format, so they may not perfectly fill the screen without stretching. In that case, adjusting the aspect ratio is your best option. And that's it. Thanks for watching.